टाइटन गेम्स ऑन नेटफ्लिक्स। ये अंतरा जी ने मुझे कहा कि प्लीज़ चेक इट आउट, क्योंकि उनको बहुत पसंद आया। It is a fitness and endurance show by the great international star Dwayne Johnson, The Rock. I love watching Dwayne Johnson. But I ask you, is Titan Games an endurance show or is it just showing off?
The Titan Games. Yes, it has Dwayne Johnson, The Rock, in it. And this has been his lifelong dream. This is something that he has wanted to do from the very beginning of his career, where he wanted to create an endurance show which dealt with people from all walks of life, facing all kinds of adversities. People getting over cancer, people having only one limb, but the fact that the human spirit is extremely, extremely strong.
Of course, it's a very slickly produced show. All the sound bites tick the right boxes. The visuals, the backstories of the family, the kids, high morale, parents, tears of joy, lots of visually interesting games with spectacular fireworks, and a role model fitness star himself.
Welcome to the Titan Games.
This is the most insane athletic competition ever devised.
So where what's missing? According to me, it has no soul. आत्मा ही नहीं है. It's all on cue. The crowd sounds are manufactured, जैसे कि IPL मैचेस में आप क्राउड के साउंड सुनते हैं. डायलॉग क्यू पे है, हकीकत नहीं है. Dwayne Johnson has to maintain his image as The Rock, so the show has to be perfect. और आप जानते हैं ना, perfection is boring.
Of course, he's The Rock. Come on. You have watched him in WWF for ages. Yeah, the one eyebrow that comes up and the way he intimidates. It's all a show. But such is life, right? Everything is a show. That's the reason why you watch it. You call it entertainment for that very reason. So yes, there are many, many shows outside and around the world which will talk about endurance. But let's just talk about Dwayne Johnson's Titans. They are a compact 8 episodes of fun watching. And yes, they are pushed to their limits. It's a game show. It's different. And in today's time, where people are actually looking at fitness as a mechanism of life, so why not take some inspiration? Do a little bit of fluff watching over the weekend with the Titan Games. It may not be everything that you think it's cut out to be, but I will promise you this, that it'll give you enough entertainment. And somewhere down the line, like when I was watching it, when there was someone who was running, my feet were moving on its own. Just the music is so dramatic, the punchlines are there. You feel good about yourself. So if you want to watch something that makes you feel good in 8 episodes, Dwayne Johnson, The Rock, has brought you a show.
If you want to see endurance, तो मैं आपको recommend करता हूँ Everest on Netflix. Believe me, it also ticks all the right boxes: the family, the anxiety, the children, the tears, facing one's inner demons, climbing impossible heights, pushing the body to the limit. फर्क ये है, the challenges are real and unexpected. And if you lose, you can also lose your life. The mountain is real. Everest is real. The danger is real. हारने की बहुत बड़ी प्राइस है. And the people who survive are real champions. This is endurance. This is character. Of course, I have to say Everest is also a fake show because they had to recreate most of the Everest scenes in a studio. It's impossible to shoot at those heights. It's where a 747 is traveling. You're at that height. But it's a fantastic recreation. The only thing they didn't recreate, and I was surprised, was the cold wind that blows 24/7 on Everest. अगर आप टोपी नहीं पहनेंगे, you will get a severe headache. मतलब ऐसा खतरनाक headache which is like Chinese torture. I know, I've been on Everest myself. I filmed there. इसलिए एवरेस्ट फेक तो कर रहा है पर हकीकत को, टाइटन गेम्स फेक कर रहा है इमोशंस को। तो इसलिए मेरी रेटिंग्स फॉर टाइटन्स इज 7 out of 10. Whether you like it or not, it is a slick show. And मेरी रेटिंग फॉर एवरेस्ट इज 8 out of 10. ये स्लिक तो है पर रियल भी है। अगर आपको ये रिव्यूज़ अच्छे लगे तो प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब नाउ टू सिटकास्ट स्पीक्स, क्योंकि आप अगर अभी बटन दबाएं तो डैड एंड डॉट आर इंक्लूडेड एज अ फन बोनस पैकेज। चीयर्स।